going to start by getting into your invert position. I'm now going to bring my inside leg towards my face so there's enough room for my outside leg to hook on the pole at the back of the knee. My inside leg is now going to come back towards my outside leg so my knees are touching. You want to make sure your thighs are squeezing together. At this point, you can think about pushing your chest forwards and seeing if you're comfortable to let go of the pole with your hands. To take this move further, I'm going to take my outside hand back on the pole. I'm going to use it to guide my body so now my chest is facing the pole. You'll notice here that this pole is not directly the centre of my body. That's absolutely fine. Due to my leg position, it will be slightly off to one side. To come out of this move safely, I'm going to simply reverse everything. So I'm going to take my outside hand back on the pole. I'm going to windmill my arm round, so now I'm back in the front of the pole. I'm then going to bring my legs back into an invert position. I'm going to go chin to chest and slide down.